holidays, creatives. New Year is right around the corner, and that means you're probably already setting goals. I know. January 1st, you're going to be a different person. Suddenly, you're going to be active and productive, and you're going to be doing all the things and checking all the boxes, right? You've probably been around long enough by now to know that that's not how change works. Change is a slow and incremental process, and it's rarely steady. It usually goes up and down, back and forth, 3 steps forward, 1 step back. Well, if you're watching this video, it means that you want to have a good creative year in 2024. So I'm going to tell you one of the most important steps to doing that. It has to do with setting your bar. Your temptation is to set your bar high. Like, if I'm going to write, I'm going to do 1,200 words every single day. All the stresses from 2023 are still there. They're not going to vanish in smoke on the 1st. So you're probably not going to be able to suddenly produce every single day 1,000 times more than you already were. But that doesn't mean you can't produce. What I want you to do is set a goal that's low enough that you can do it every day, no matter what your stresses are. Now, I'm not telling you to lower your standards. I'm not telling you to just give up and be a loser or something crazy like that. What I'm saying is that if you set a daily goal low enough that even when you are stressed, even when the water you're in is boiling, you can still step over it, you're a lot more likely to step over it than if you can keep going. Keep going. By all means, do more. Do 2,000 words a day, whatever you're able to do. But on those days when you cannot hit that crazy amount, that low goal will save you from getting stuck. You can step over it when you're stressed, when you're tired, when the kids are yelling at you. You can step over that goal no matter what is happening. That's power. It will psychologically and emotionally empower you. It will help you to keep going. It's like what they tell you at the doctor's office. 5 minutes of exercise is better than none. It's the same way with your creativity. You can do this, creative. This can be your year. I'm going to be with you the whole time. You're going to make it. I promise. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.